Hey guys, welcome back to another video with the Justin Sphere. And today is day 8 of the Star Wars Advent Calendar for December. And we are going to find the 8th slot and then get open. And then it looks like today we have a robot skeleton shooter that we are going to be building. And first we will put on his legs, which is right here. And then put on his stomach, arms, and then his head. And it seems like we have some leftover arms that have been left with this set. And this is a robot skeleton shooter. And this is a great build. Remember, smash that like and subscribe button for some more Christmas videos, Lego videos, Hot Wheels videos, Mario videos, and more. See ya!